currently 6 a.m. in the morning. We out here with the chickens. I picked up some monsters yesterday. Some huge roosters. We'll let them out in a few. And then some beautiful hens. I picked in all 19 new chickens. 3 of them roosters. But first we're gonna start letting these roosters out. Let them meet everybody else. It's gonna be a little fighting, but you know that's normal. They gotta establish dominance. Look at this big boy right here. Stay you up here so we can see you. Beautiful rooster. Yes. Now look at this big boy. Now I want y'all to see this claw. Where is this? If I can get it.
Just go underneath.
Let me turn this light on. Where is it? Look at this thing. This is insane. It's like a dinosaur tooth. That's pretty crazy. But yeah, beautiful rooster. Look at that big boy. This is another hen I just got. Beautiful coloring. That's the queen around here. Golden lace. We call her Goldilocks. But yeah, she's the queen out here. She's huge. This camera does not do her justice. Man, this is another hen right here. Get this pan up. Oh yeah, let's get the rest of them out. All right. Got some more of the hens out the boxes. We got a lot of nice hens yesterday. And the crazy thing is, I picked these up from a 12-year-old kid. A young kid. He's raising chickens and stuff. And these are some of the best hens and roosters I've seen from anybody. And this is a 12-year-old kid. And you can just tell he put a lot of love into them. Took care of them. Because they all look pretty darn good. They all nice, big, and healthy. This rooster is pretty freaking cool. These are some nice roosters too. You can see, like, most roosters you can't do this. But these, they love attention.